It is time for yet another exciting episode of
How's the market?
where I'll get you up to date with what's happening here on the Space Coast and our housing market. So stick around. My name's Eric Larkin and I'm a real estate agent here on the Space Coast. And when I'm not making videos like this one, I'm helping people buy and sell real estate. So if you have plans of making a move, let me know how I can help. So now we're through the month of May. We are definitely seeing some trends emerging in 2023. I'd like to know before I get into the numbers, what do you think is happening? Is the market progressing and getting better? Do you still feel that there's a housing crash coming up? Let me know in the comments below. Let's go over the stats for Brevard County. Our active inventory, we're at 2376 properties for sale. We sold 1,371 for the month of May, putting us at a 1.73 month supply. Average sales price, $427,000. Median sales price was $352,000, and the list to sell ratio was 95%. Average price per square foot, $238. Average days on market, 39 days. We had 495 properties sell in 7 days or less. There were 43 properties sell for over $1 million, with the highest price in Melbourne Beach for $4.3 million, and there were 32 homes sell under $200,000. Let's talk condos in the Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral area. Active inventory is 149 properties ranging from 114,000 to 1.8 million. We sold 48 condos in May ranging from 105,000 to $1 million. We're at a 3-month supply of condos for sale. Average condo price was just under $419,000. Median condo price was $385,000. Average price per square foot, $335. It took on average 39 days to sell a condo. There were 6 condos selling for under $200,000, and the best-selling complex was Windrush with 3 condo sales. Onto the single-family home sales in Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral. Active inventory is 29 properties, ranging from $429,000 to $2.77 million. There were 9 homes selling in May between $445,000 and $1.2 million. We're at a 3.2 month supply of homes for sale. Average price was down at $719,000. Yet the median sales price was up at $670,000. Average price per square foot, $413. Average days on market was 35 days. And we had 1 home sell for under $500,000 and 1 home sell for over $1 million. So how is the market? I am 100% confident in saying that this market is exceptionally active, and we are definitely in a seller's market as well. Our sales for the month of May was actually over 2022 sales numbers, so that's certainly a good sign. And the seller's market I just mentioned, remember, if we're to be in a seller's market, our active inventory needs to be under a 4-month supply, and we've been under a 4-month supply for some time now. We did hover above a 2-month supply from September till February of this year. We had 1.73 month supply here in the month of May. Looking at the prices throughout the county, the average and median prices are starting to level off, where some months were a little above last year, some months were a little below, which I think is a very healthy thing. Going ridiculously high over the last 2 or 3 years, and we needed that to cool off some. Fortunately, some of that came from the rising interest rates. However, I'm seeing buyers are definitely getting used to the mid 6%, 6.75% rates, because sales have definitely been solid considering the increase of the interest rates. We're seeing the days on market for a property, it's gotten higher. We're at averaging 40 days on market, but that's certainly not a terrible number. We still had 35% of the homes sell in May in 7 days or less. The multiple offers aren't a common practice as like we've seen in 2021 and 2020, but they are still happening from time to time. Just know, if you're buying a home, to anticipate that you're going to be dealing with multiple offers. Not saying that it will happen, just be ready for it as you're presenting the offer, that there's that possibility you're going to be competing with somebody else on that home. We are entering into our busy season. Even though year-round we sell a fair amount of homes no matter what the month is. From May through September, we sell more homes on average during this 3 or 4 month time period than any other 3 or 4 month time period here in Brevard County. There are 2 things that we really need to keep an eye on that could have an effect on the real estate market. One are the interest rates. If they stay where they're at, then buyers are getting used to it and shouldn't be so much of an issue. If that interest rate creeps over 7%, I do anticipate seeing some type of slowdown or pullback in the housing market. And if that interest rate dips low below 6%, then I see a flood of buyers coming back to the marketplace. The second thing we need to keep an eye on now that we're in the month of June is hurricane season. Whenever a major hurricane hits the east coast of Florida, it has a huge impact on our real estate business. Let's hope we don't have to deal with a storm this year, but if a storm does hit Florida, it will also slow things down here in the housing market. So that's our market update for the month of May. Let me know what you think about what's happening in the marketplace. I'd love to hear from you. Do we still anticipate a crash, or are we moving forward with a healthy market again? If you do have any questions about the information I just provided or an upcoming move, remember I am here to help. You can call me, you can text me, you can comment below. If you're on any of these social media platforms, you can find me there and send a direct message. However you like to communicate, I am great with. My name is Eric Larkin with Real Brokers. I appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you on the next show.